It's so critical that we all stay cool and hydrated, especially over the coming days, as we are talking about some very, very hot afternoon temperatures, but also some very warm mornings too. So the risk of heat illness is high because of that, or extra high because of our very warm start. This morning, for example, it's likely we set a record for the warmest low temperature ever recorded on this date. 94 degrees. That's where we bottomed out this morning. If we do not drop below 93 before midnight, which I don't think we will, 94 will likely go down as a record for the warmest low ever recorded on this date. We had some winds overnight, we had some clouds. That's what kept our temperature elevated. But again, without much relief through the overnight hours from that afternoon heat, our risk of heat illness tends to go up. 104 degrees. That's where we're sitting right now, and we are still feeling those winds. Winds right now coming in out of the east-southeast at 15 miles an hour. So it is hot and it is breezy, and it is going to stay hot and breezy going into this afternoon. But that temperature again getting sizzling hot this afternoon, close to where we ended up yesterday. I think we'll hit 113 this afternoon. You'll watch for that high, especially around 4 o'clock. That's likely when our temperature will peak. But notice we're going to be above 110 for several hours again today, and those winds staying between about 5 and 15 miles an hour going into the middle part of the afternoon. But again, overall breezy to windy here in the Phoenix area with stronger winds to our south. And remember, if you're traveling south of the valley, the dust threat is there as we're seeing some of those dust channels getting kicked up, so visibility could be low. Our excessive heat warning remains in effect for the entire Phoenix metro areas just to our east, to our south, and all across western Arizona through 9 p.m. today. That blowing dust advisory in effect through 1 o'clock here this afternoon, and it could be extended a little further if we continue to see those dust channels through the afternoon. We've got thunderstorms too, but just a few up near Williams and Flagstaff. Those thunderstorms continuing to slowly push to the west. There's a chance for more storms across northern Arizona today. I think we could see a storm or two clip by some of our northern zones like Whitman, also up near Wickenburg, but I think the rest of the Phoenix metro is going to be too dry for thunderstorms today. So we'll watch for those storms to develop this afternoon from Payson to Sedona to Prescott up to Flagstaff. Tomorrow, more storms possible along the rim and to our east. Those could send some gusty winds our way, possibly some dust like what we saw yesterday. But by Sunday, that's when we've got the better shot for dust and also rain here in the valley. A 30% chance for thunderstorms by Sunday evening. Temperatures at or above 110 through the weekend. Storm chances continue into next week.